The exiled former ZANU-PF political commissar Servius Kasukwere has publicly defended his brother, former Foreign Affairs Minister Walter Mzembi, describing him as an honest Zimbabwean who has been trapped into a dungeon following his recent arrest at a return to Zimbabwe, urging supporters to help secure his release amidst a deepening public dispute. Sarabina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino achionekwa Kasukwere achilabel Mzembi as an honest Zimbabwean trapped in a dungeon. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. This comes at a time when the controversy surrounding Mzembi's return to Zimbabwe and subsequent arrest has escalated, with exiled allies, a prominent journalist and former legislator Temba Mliswa, trading accusations over the circumstances of his comeback. Kasukwere on Thursday described Mzembi as an honest Zimbabwean who had been trapped into dungeon. Writing on his social media, Kasukwere urged his supporters to intensify efforts to secure Mzembi's release. In quotes, "He is my brother, and nothing will change that," Mzembi stated. He was trapped into a dungeon, but one day he will be out. Nothing else more than knowing that Walter Mzembi is an honest Zimbabwean. Let's double our efforts to get him out of this difficult position. God bless. Mzembi, 61, was arrested in June after unexpectedly returning to Zimbabwe and remains in remand prison facing charges of theft of trust property and abuse of office. His bail appeal was dismissed last month, with the High Court ruling that he could not be trusted to stand trial given his previous abscondment in 2018 when he left the country for medical treatment in South Africa. Investigative journalist Wopo Chimono has also weighed in, accusing Muliso of trying to rewrite history by denying involvement in attempts to lay Mzembi and other exiled figures back home. Chimono alleged that Muliso contacted him in Joburg, encouraging him to return, but he said he had already been warned by activist Alinaka and intelligence sources not to engage. Domashwa Ruda Pangwa inotiona Kasukwere chidefender aiwa kuti Walter Mzembi is innocent. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi Walter Mzembi is struggling aiwa in prison. Panguva ino pane mashoko ari kuda achinzi aiwa he is not feeling well. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pedau iyi. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.